Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dioff. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing this beautiful wig from UNice Hair. It's 99J, a 4x4 closure, and it is 20 inches. This was a very easy installation because it's a 4x4. The part is already there for you. So the first thing I did was made my part deeper because the part was already there, but there was a way that I can make it go a little bit further back. So that's what I did. And I put concealer on my part early just so that I can see, so I can make the part more visible while I'm installing this wig. So I tried to make baby hairs and I actually did achieve that look. I put some baby hairs and I just used my wax stick to push all the hair back. I tried to make this closure look like a frontal. That's what I tried to do. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace off, and then we're going to add foundation on the lace just so that it can look like it's my shade. Best thing to do when you're installing wigs. So now I'm just going to go ahead and tie it down just so that we can get the front of the hair more flat. So all I was doing was getting my hot comb and just making sure that the front is flat. So now I'm going to get this spray that I got from the beauty supply store. It was only like $8, and I just put that on top of the hair just to add a little bit shine to the hair. So now I'm going to take off the head tie, and I'm just going to fix up the baby hairs because it didn't really lay down. Just put some of the blue mousse on there and just fix it to your perfection. So now that your baby hairs is laid, you're going to go ahead and retie that down just so that it can stay in place, and you're going to blow dry it down also so it can stay in place. So guys, this is how it ended up looking. From a front forward view, you can see like the closure, but I'm pretty sure like from another side, you can't really see it. So this is how it looks with my makeup done. And if you're gonna buy this wig, make sure you beat your face because you cannot wear this wig without your face beat. Shout out to UNice Hair for sending me this beautiful unit. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I helped some people. Bye, guys.